How to use Bumpy dating app full beginner's guide 2025. So first of all, you have to create a profile, like download the Bumpy app from the App Store or Google Play and sign up to create a profile providing information about yourself, including your interest and personality, as you can see from here. And then you have to upload clear and attractive photos to showcase yourself, and after that you have to uh, discover matches. Like Bumpy allows you to discover people globally, and you can swipe through profiles to find potential matches. Swipe right if you're interested in someone, and left if you are not. And when both users swipe right on each other, a match is created. And for connecting with matches on Bumpy, women are required to send the first message with 24 hours of a match, and the recipient then has 24 hours to respond. And Bumpy also offers auto translation to facilitate conversation between users who speak different languages. And the other features are you can share your relationship goals within the app. Bumpy also has features for exploring in-depth insights and discovering meaningful connections. And the app also emphasizes its anti-fraud system and verified users. And uh, some important considerations is Bumpy is designed for international dating, so be prepared to interact with people from different backgrounds. Ensure your profile is authentic and engaging to attract genuine connections, and be mindful of the time limits to sending and responding to messages, especially for women. According to strategy capstone, and be cautious and report any suspicious activity or profile that seem fake. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.